All right, guys, welcome back on this beautiful day. I hope everybody's doing well. I had some spare time today. I figured, hey, let's pick up on when we left off on the last video, and that was on polishing the wheels. I figured it was going to be a great idea to tag you guys along. I know a lot of people might find it satisfying to actually see like a before and after take on what the car kind of looks like right now. As you can see behind me, it looks a little hurt. I do plan on polishing all four. Maybe do a quick hand wash if we got some spare time at the end. I'm excited. I'm pretty sure you guys are excited. Therefore, let's sit back and let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, the front came out perfect. Now moving on to the rears is where it's getting a little bit on the intimidating side because of the fact that it has layers. I already tried to hit it by hand, and I have a little bit that's coming off, but I'm gonna be here all day, so I kind of want to attempt to hit it with the machine and see if the machine can kind of boost up the time as far as getting the first layer off. Once we get through the first layer, then I can actually do the polishing with the next. As you can see, it's changing a little bit of color, and that's what we want. We want it to get dark because that's when we're actually making a difference. But there's such a thick layer at the very top that I think I'm just gonna hit it with the machine just to knock it off, and then I'll hit it, towards the end with my actual hand, so we can get a better feel and get a better detailed shine to it. Anyway, let's get the machine. Let's see if that helps up and speed up the process a little bit. All right, guys. So quick update. It's coming out great. I was losing a little bit of hope because of how bad it was. Using the machine actually set me back some time. We've lost a lot of daylight trying to get that rim. What the machine was doing was it was actually causing the product to become like a paste. So I had to use my hand and physically do the entire rim by hand. That was the best way for the best results. Here, let me show you. This is what the rim looks like now. It's not in the greatest conditions because you can still see there's a little bit of, still a little speckling that I have to hit it. I'm gonna try to do it one more time, do another layer, see how it comes out. I did start the third one, so we're already in the motion as that. However, it's coming out awesome, and that's my goal. Anyway, let's continue hitting this on, move on to the next one. All right, guys, so welcome back. Ran out of time yesterday, woke up this morning, finished the last wheel. I've already got them mounted on, but however, before I show it to you guys, I want to do a quick wash down, like I said, get it all nice cleaned up, and then do a quick B-roll so you guys can kind of see the final stages of how the wheels came out. Very excited to show them to you guys, so let me wash it down real quick. Let's go. All right, guys, so there you have it. Down below, let me know what you guys thought. I fell in love with them, especially knowing how bad they were. They were in very bad conditions and turned out beautifully. I do have little spots that I do want to re-hit, but I'll hit that in the future. Anyways, down below, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. All right, take care, guys.